So I broke a vacuum line off while trying to replace the valve cover. You see it goes right here and attaches here. So what we're gonna do is take that, put it in the hard pipe, put that guy, snap him back on there. Then we're gonna take him, put him in that hole, just like that. See if I'll go, I'm gonna have to put the camera down. 1 second. All right, actually ended up rerouting this to underneath the brake booster come out, so that way we'll just be able to take the hose and just put it on there. Just 1 second. Okay, so this piece actually broke off when I went to put it on, so got that fixed up, got it connected down here, push the connector back on, make sure all these are tight, got it rerouted, comes back up here, so now it'll sit just like that. Or I could do this also. I'll probably just leave it like that. That way it's not in the way. Thank you for watching.